Hey guys, Samyam here. So in today's video, we'll be learning about the animal tissues. So the introduction. The animal tissues are tissues present in a human body. They are classified into four types: the epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and the nervous tissue. Coming to the epithelial tissue. These are known as protective tissue since it prevents mechanical and physical injury to the body. They also line and cover surfaces inside and outside our body like the skin. There are three main types. The squamous epithelium. It helps in the protection and the diffusion, present in the heart, the air sacs, and the blood vessels. Next is the cuboidal epithelium. It's present in the nephrons and the kidney tubules, hence helps in the excretion, secretion, and the reabsorption. The columnar epithelium. It's present in the gastrointestinal tract, hence helps in the digestion and the secretion of juices. So next is the connective tissue, which is the vast group of the animal tissues. Helps in the binding or connective substances, hence their name. It's of three types: the fibrous or the proper connective tissue, the fluid connective tissue, and the supportive connective tissue. So under the fibrous connective tissue, there is the loose fibrous and the dense fibrous. Under the loose fibrous tissue, it consists of the areolar, the adipose, and the reticular tissues. It's basically the fibers which create the loose and the open framework. Next is the dense fibrous tissues, which are fibers that are densely packed. It consists of the dense regular, that is the fibroblasts, the dense irregular, the tendons and the ligaments, and the dense elastic. Next is the fluid connective tissue. It consists of the blood and the lymph. The blood runs in the blood vessels, which is a part of the cardiovascular or the circulatory system. The lymph, it's basically the main part of the lymphoid and the lymphatic system. It helps in the defense mechanism. The supportive connective tissue is of bone and the cartilage. The bone creates a firm structure called the skeleton and gives shape to the body. It also protects internal organs from the mechanical injury, like the skull protects the brain, the rib cage protects the heart and the lungs, and the vertebral column protects the spinal cord. Coming to the cartilage. So it's basically the solid rubbery matrix. It fills the gaps between the bones that absorbs jerks during body movements. It's of three types: the hyaline cartilage, the elastic cartilage, and the fibrous cartilage. So the next type of tissue is the muscular tissue. These are tissues found in the muscle cells of a human body. There are three types: the striated and the skeletal muscles. These muscle cells have striations on them. They are present where the voluntary activity exists, that is, the places where we have the control of, like the legs, the hands, the neck, etc. Next is the unstriated muscles. These muscles have no striations, that is, they do not have any dark or light bands in them. They are present in the heart, stomach, the gastrointestinal tract, etc. That is, the places where involuntary activity exists. The cardiac muscles, these are present only in the heart region. They are responsible for the beating of the heart. They have very less striations on them. So the next type of tissue is the nervous tissue. It consists of the nerve cells or the neurons, which is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. They are responsible for the transfer of electrical impulses. The neuron consists of three main parts: the dendrites. These carry the electrical impulses towards the cell body. The cell body, it consists of the nucleus, the cytoplasm, and small granular particles called the Nissls granules. And then the axon. They carry the impulses away from the cell body to another neuron through junctions called the synapse. As you can see, this is how a structure of a nerve cell looks like. So that's it for my video. Hope you liked it. Thank you.